She squirmed in her bed again. This bed is just not as comfortable as that one was. Oh. The thoughts of those soft comfortable sheets over that delicious mattress. The smell of fresh cut flowers in the air. This wasn't that. This was much more real. She thought with a frown. She wanted to close her eyes and be back in the dream. She wanted to close her eyes and not just sense him, but really feel him. She knew he was there. She also knew that it was only his spirit that was there. But the real him was so many miles away. Her heart ached. She was thinking of his hands on her body again. She ran her hands lightly over her body. She smirked. Gave a little pouty frown. Just isn't the same running my fingers through my hair like when he did it. Her eyes closed. Back to thinking about the wonderful feeling. His hands against her skin. The heat of his breath on the nape of her neck. Yes, oh yeah. She moaned lightly. That's what I want. Yes. That was the alarm that was ringing. Yes, it was another day. She reached over and turned the alarm off. Abrupt. Unfair jolt. Time to take on another day. As her mind had done a few times over the course of the last couple of days. Her mind wandered wondering. Was it real? Did I dream the whole thing? Maybe it would be better if it was just a wonderful delicious dream. Maybe it's better if I just... And then she stopped. She never made it past that. She couldn't. She couldn't go back to the fiercely independent woman that she had been. She couldn't go back to being free. It wasn't possible. She couldn't even really go back to being her. She couldn't go back to being as she was before she was his.